G'day guys, welcome back after 4 months of not being able to fish because of lockdown. Yay, that's over. We're out on beautiful Lake Macquarie again today, chasing some flatties and some crabs and squid as always.
It also happens to be our 5th wedding anniversary today, and since I am out on the boat with him, he better be feeding me squid tonight.
What a wife. Lake Macquarie's fisheries is finally allowed decent crab traps in Lake Macquarie. So you can catch stuff and still release undersized stuff without getting mutilated. April loves when I take crab pots.
Take up so much room in our teeny tiny boat.
Yeah, we've got a wind net already.
I also seriously doubt Joel's ability to catch crabs, because I reckon in our 5 years of marriage and many fishing trips, there's been about 2 crabs caught in this boat. So we'll see if he can break his streak. Watch along and find out. Squid on. He's lucky. If I had spent my 5th anniversary fishing and didn't get squid for dinner, it was going to be bad.
I like that pink jig, eh?
Guys, I've said it before, I'll say it again. Pink. Pink is the key. Pink for squid. Pink is the best. So we just got our 3rd squid on a pink squid jig. So we've decided to go 2 pink ones, because poor old Mr. Green was not getting a look in.
We have like 45 different pink ones, so it was a hard decision.
If you can't tell, mostly I pick the colour squid jigs that we buy. Fish on! Joel's called a big flatty.
Not sure, it's come up really high.
We don't fish in good weather. We just wait for the bad weather.
There's a really nice flathead. It'll look like a dickhead if it's not. It's really heavy and staying down there, but never hooked the stingray in the cider.
Let's really hope no stingray. We don't want stingray.
No. Good flatty. Oh, that's...
Don't lose him now, babe.
I can get it. Oh, it's down, it's gut.
Oh!
This is gonna bite me for sure.
No! We're not running real heavy line either. Alright, we'll show you when he's up, because we got to do it now. But we landed it. A very good flatty.
And that is well and truly.
So Joel's just gone to pick him up because he's in our boat now, and literally bit through the line, but he's in the boat, so that's all that matters. Flatty won't go to waste, and we will have some real nice Flatty nugs for dinner tonight. Even though this bay looks quite calm and lovely, we've had to come into it to shelter for a while because we've just had a storm front blow in on top of us out of nowhere. And there were maybe some waves that were getting a little bit bigger than our boat, which was a bit less than ideal, wasn't it, honey?
Hey, Kaz.
But we came good, we're fine. Now we just have to hope that this wind peters out enough that we can go back out all the way over there to the other side of the lake where our boat trailer is. Wish us luck.
Good times.
Okay. Take two. We have sat out in the bay for as long as we think we really should. It's calmed down a little bit out there, as you can see. I don't know if you actually can on camera, but it's calmed down a little bit. Still not amazing, but a little bit. So we're just gonna do our best to hug around the coast before we shoot back across the other side of the lake. Sometimes you
Just gotta send it, but be safe, don't try this at home.
Turns out Joel was the one that was scared. I wasn't. I have complete faith in him. Believe it or not, this is actually significantly better than what we got out of a little while ago. But considering we are in a, what are we in, honey? A 3.8
metre hitty. Those waves are like probably a metre.
So I mean, when we say our boat doesn't have walls, we quite literally mean it doesn't have walls.
Those waves are a metre and the walls are a bit motor, probably 600 mil, if that.
But it's fine, because if there is ever anyone that can skipper a boat through it, it is Joel. Most likely.
Yeah. We have much better weather today, guys. Still a bit blowy, but not like it was. I feel like I'm going to die today, so that's good. Big question is, do we have any crabs? Yes? Oh, multiple. And that's why those traps should have been allowed years ago. See that female in there? We're going to be able to let that go without hurting. How good's that? Great Northern bag. There's one nice male blue swimmer. I think he should definitely go leaving. It's not a huge one, but there's a couple of females in there. I think one of them doesn't have eggs, so we'll probably be able to keep her. Oh, you can't do that with the other pot. Yeah, this one, she doesn't have any eggs, so we're allowed to keep her.
She also seems to be the most cranky.
They generally are. Big females are usually cranky. Well and truly illegal. And angry.
And eggless, the most important
No
thing.
eggs. Female but no eggs, you can keep them in New South Wales, guys.
Trap 2, and we got another
One cracking male.
beautiful big male.
Well, they've been too rated either. Oh, this one I think. They would be easy to check without doing that check. It's all right.
Look at the beautiful colours on him. I don't know if you can see, he's got some really pretty purples and blues going on.
That's why they call him a blue swimmer, girls.
Point out the obvious.
We even need to measure that one, but we will anyway. Just to be sure. Well and truly.
Into the esky goes. Four in this trap, 2 males, 2 females. This female's definitely going back, but she's got a nice full pouch of eggs. She does not want to leave this trap, but she's got food here. She's like, no, I'm good.
We're about to crush it in the bank. Female, eggs.
And back she goes.
They're lucky day. We gotta release her anyway. I'm gonna move that off here before we crash into the... He's definitely coming over. He's a nice one. Might even release her, even though she's legal. We're starting to get a bit of a alright feed. Only so many crabs one person can eat.
We just pulled our last trap, and we got 3 crab plus about a half a dozen little baby squire that thought the trap was a good place.
Silly fishes.
There's one. Two. Three.
Oh, she's a big one. Pot's a big mate. We mightn't have a keeper in this pot. Ow! That one bit me.
We do have an angry one.
It's a really weird looking female.
Get these guys out and release the females and see if we do have any male in there. Charles on for the first fish of the day. He's calling Flatty. Too many things to do. Oh, you bastard.
Yes, he definitely swallowed that one.
What are we doing, hun?
About to get some nippies for bait. You go and try and catch a whiting or 47. Again, lost the camera.
Nice little morning haul of bait and hopefully turn some nice juicy whiting or brim.
try and catch a couple of whiting. We're up in the shallows again. There's a few cruising around, so we'll see how we go. We've got some fresh nippies. Fingers crossed.
Where is he? Just here. Possible fish on again.
This one might be a little bit better.
Oh, we might have finally had some success.
Alright guys, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed. We were just at home cleaning the boat out and got a bit overboard. Rip the floor out and give that a good clean under there and give the old girl a bit of a birthday. She's had a hard life. Needs some new carpet, some new seats. Had a new trailer recently, so that's all good. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Next one should be coming up relatively soon. We get back out on the water. Now we're out of lockdown. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe. If anyone wants a shirt, hit us up.